This is lesson 5.2, describing places and things, part 2. Kia ora, welcome back to part 2 of today's lesson. Now that we've learned how to ask and answer the pātai he aha, let's learn how we can expand on that. Can you cast your mind back to when we learned about possessors? Remember? Taku, tō, and tana. And you'll recall that we made those kupu plural by dropping the T. So they became aku, o, and ana. Do you remember? Well, the same rule applies with tēnei, tēnā, and tērā. If we want to ask about plural or multiple things, all we have to do is drop the T and ask he aha e nei, he aha e nā, and he aha e rā. So let's practice those together. Repeat after me. He aha e nei, he aha e nā, he aha e rā. Ka pai e hoa. Now I want to teach you how you can add more detail to your answer to describe places and things. To help with this, let's quickly cover off a handful of common describing words. Repeat after me. Ātāhua. Beautiful. Nui. Big. Iti. Small. Kino. Bad. Pai. Good. Reka. Sweet or yummy. Mō rika rika. Disgusting. Ka pai. These kupu are useful in making your speech more colourful. Speaking of colourful, let's learn some basic colours while we're here. Repeat after me. Whero. Red. Kakariki. Green. Kōwhai. Yellow. Pango. Black. Mā. White. And kahurangi. Blue. Let's go over those one more time just to really help lock those colours in. Are you ready? Whero. Red. Kakariki. Green. Kōwhai. Yellow. Pango. Black. Mā. White. And kahurangi. Blue. Okay, that gives us quite a few describing kupu to work with. So let's see how we can add those into our answers. In te reo Māori, we put the describing word after the object or the thing that we're talking about. In English, we say big house. Big being the describing word, house being the object or the noun. But in Māori, we put the word whare first, followed by the word nui. So we say whare nui, not nui whare. So if you asked me the question, he aha tēnā, and I was holding a blue pen, I would say, he penne kahurangi tēnei. This is a blue pen. So let's practice answering that question. Repeat after me. He penne kahurangi tēnei. Fantastic. You can also use this sentence structure to describe a place. For example, you could say, he kura tēnei, which means this is a school. He kura tēnei. Or you could say, he wharekai tērā, which means that's a wharekai, a restaurant. Or for bonus points, why not add in the word reka to describe it as a yummy restaurant by saying, he wharekai reka tērā. Let's practice that together. He wharekai reka tērā. He wharekai reka tērā. Excellent. Now you can describe places and things in a lot more detail. Keep practicing these phrases, e hoa. In our next lesson, we're going to learn about numbers and asking and answering how many. Ka pai e hoa, that's a massive day of learning, so go rest up and I'll see you tomorrow in our next lesson.